What is up, YouTube? Alright, so this is our first night at the JW Marriott today here at the Galxy. Oh, it has been a crazy long day. We got rid of so many things back home, the couch, the bed, the table today. But there's all the little things that are happening in the apartment, and oh, there's just so much, and it's been a really exhausting day.
So tired.
So today's gonna be our first night here at the JW Marriott, and we have a great view. Elise got us a nice little upgrade, so thank you, Elise.
I hope we can still have time to enjoy the hotel.
She says she wants to enjoy the pool. I'm not sure. Let's give you a little tour of our room here. You know, nothing too crazy, too fancy, but it's a nice room with a nice view. We got a nice, you know, decent sized bathroom, definitely bigger than the bathroom in the apartment. So nice big shower. I love the overhead shower. I feel like I'm in a rain shower. And then the bathtub, which I really only use the bathtub when I'm on holidays, so you know.
Hi.
And then here is sort of the main room. Now, obviously, it's big enough for me and Elise, but not big enough to throw a party.
Look at that.
And they also, because Elise told them it was my birthday this week, they also gave us some really nice little macaroons and some snacks here.
Yeah.
And I think this is a brownie. That looks pretty cool. And then they wrote us a little, like hand wrote us a little note here, which is really nice with the Hello Kitty. And so we wanted to make this video before everything was just too messy. Too messy. But you can check out, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see with this glare, but all the blue down there is the pool. And then you got the Galxy towers out there at the nighttime. Oh, at least turn the lights off. Great, thank you. So you got the two Galxy towers, and there's a tower over here that isn't fully complete, but they do turn on the lights, so I think I'm going to be able to show you guys that later. That one's going to be the new Raffles Hotel. And then over there on the far left is China. Can you turn the lights back on, Elise, please?
Sure.
Give Elise a chance to turn on the lights. All right. So that's our hotel room, guys. I hope, you know, it's a nice little room. You know, it's comfortable. I like this little L-shaped bed. Anyways, just wanted to make you guys an update video because it is now Monday. Even though it's 1 in the morning on Monday, we still have to go back tomorrow to finish up all of the little things in the apartment. I got to mail a box home because I just had way too much stuff and sort of oddly shaped things. And anyways, so I'm mailing some stuff home. And then Tuesday, hoping to relax a little bit here at the Galxy. And then Wednesday is actually my flight home. And that's going to be a whole nother video because it's going to be a journey, guys. I'm going to go Macau, Singapore, Los Angeles, but the layover in Singapore is 21 hours long. So I'm going to be at that airport for a while. So I'm thinking maybe there might be something interesting there to show you guys that you might want to see. And then Los Angeles to Las Vegas eventually. So I'm excited to see all my friends and family. You know, yeah, reach out to me if you're there. I'd love to see you guys. All right, don't forget, as I always say, to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.